Here are the drill bits I am using. As you can see, I have 2mm bit and counterbore, the 2.5mm bit and counterbore, and a 5mm bit and counterbore. You'll see what the counterbore looks like here in a minute. Okay, we're going to be looking at the 5mm bit. I picked the large size so we can more clearly see what the bit looks like. This is what the bit looks like. This is a drill end, and it has a plunger rod that slides up and down inside the hollow core drill bit. When it's installed in the drill press, water is entering right there next to this plunger and coming out the end. So it's water cooled by water pressure coming through it. Anyway, so as you drill into the rock, the plug that you're drilling out pushes up on this little plunger like that. And you drill through half of the rock, and then when you raise the drill off the stone, the plunger drops back down under spring tension and pops the little plug out that you just drilled out. Okay, so now you end up with a hole on the stone that you're drilling. The counterbore is this little piece, this little silver piece. It's threaded, and it screws into this magnetic base. You line this base up with the drill bit. When you're about to use it, it's part of the alignment process. You line it up so they're perfectly perpendicular to each other like that, right? So you drilled half of the stone. This is already lined up under the drill bit, right? So then you flip the stone over and drill again. And what this does is the counterbore keeps the hole perfectly lined up with a drill bit that's coming in from a different direction. And you end up with a hole drilled from both sides of the rock or stone, and they meet perfectly perpendicular to each other, dead center in the stone. So this is a counterbore, and this is the hollow core drill bit. It's sintered, meaning the diamond is part of the metal. It's not coated on the outside, but it's actually part of the metal, melted into the metal when a drill bit was made. And of course the little plunger. Anyway, this is called the Gunther Hobby Drill System. Kind of a cool little tool. Centered hollow core drill bit. Okay, these are Sucker Creek agate nodules. I'm getting ready to top drill them to make hanging pendants out of these slabs of Sucker Creek agate nodule. So I'm going to clamp them with my little clamp here. Can't really squeeze or tighten them too much because they'll break. Then I'm going to line the drill up like this, just like that. It's a hollow core centered drill bit. It's a Gunther drilling system. It has water cooling. I don't know if you can see the valve, the 1/8" water valve. So turn the water on. I don't know if you can see the stream of water right there. The water's on, drill is on, and start drilling. Here we go. Sometimes a piece wants to lean over one way or the other. so kind of have to go easy at first, just like that. As you can see, it's a little bit on the wet side. You can see the water ejecting back around the drill bit. The drill bit is hollow. It's injecting water into the hole. It also has, the drill bit has a smaller diameter push pin inside it. As I push down on the drill bit like this, the hollow core that's being drilled out goes up into the drill bit. So when I release pressure on a drill bit like this, the hollow core gets ejected. Okay, here we go. Turn the drill off, turn the water off, and let's see how deep it went. About that much. How long did that take to drill, huh? Didn't take long at all. Here, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. I used to drill these nodules with a Dremel, and I also have a Covington drill, lapidary drill, but it's kind of awkward to use. This thing right here is really cool. This device. Okay, so turn the water on. The water also cools the seals inside this water transfer device right there. Okay, here we go. Turn the water on. Water's flowing. Turn the drill on. Get ready for a splash. Here we go. Kind of eyeball it. Dead center. Touch it real light. Oops, see there, it moved a little bit. So touch it a little bit. Okay, let me line it up again here. Just like that, real light. Until it starts. There, it's starting to drill into the stone. The drill bit is sintered, meaning the diamond is embedded into the metal that makes up the drill. The drill bit. The drill bit is a hollow tube. I think the diameter is like, oops. Nope, I'm going to mess that up. I think that's it for that one. The rock shifted. Oh well. That's the way it's done anyways. I've drilled these so far. It takes about 30 seconds, 45 seconds to make one hole.